Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to my reasoning class. Today the problem is, what is the number of straight lines in the figure? A figure is given, you need to find how many straight lines are there. 4 options are given. You can pause the video, try to solve it, and then I'll explain. I'll tell you an easy and interesting way to solve this problem very quickly. Okay? And 3 more such interesting problems are there. I'll solve all of them one by one. To solve this problem, first you need to label the figure like this. See, here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Okay. Now, number of horizontal lines in the figure. Number of horizontal lines. How many? AC, HD and GE. AC, HD and GE. That is 3. Number of vertical lines in the figure. Number of V lines. How many? AG, BF and CE. AG, BF, CE, that is 3. Number of slanting lines in the figure. Slanting lines. How many? AE and GC. AE, GC. Therefore, AD, GD. AD, GD and CD, ED. CD, ED. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, total number of lines 3 plus 3 plus 6, that is 12. Therefore, 12 will be the answer. Now, the more you practice, things will become easier for you and you won't need to label them as well. Here, by looking at the figure only, you will be able to understand that there are 3 horizontal lines, that is these 3 vertical lines, that is these 3, and slanting lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, the number of lines 3 plus 3 plus 6, that is 12 will be the answer. Okay? Problem. How many triangles are there in the following figure? The diagram is given, 4 options are there. Now, to solve this problem also, we need to label it. How? Suppose this one is A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now, how many simple triangles are there in the figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Therefore, number of simple triangle. How many? 5. Right? Number of triangles composed of 2 components, that is 2 triangles. How many? See, number of triangles composed of 2 components. How many? A, B, F, 1. A, B, F, 1. Next is B, C, E. B, E. 2. Next is ACE. See, all are composed of two triangles, right? Therefore, ACE. Is there anyone? And ABD. ABD is also there. Okay. Therefore, here the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of triangles composed of 3 components. Number of triangles composed of 3 components. How many are there? AFC. See, 3 triangles are there inside. AFC. Is there anyone else? BCD. BCD. See, BCD. 3 triangles are inside. BCD. Therefore, number of triangles composed of 3 components is 2. And there is only one triangle which composed of all the 5 components, and that is ABC. One more is ABC. Therefore, the number of triangles in the figure are 5 plus 4 plus 2. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 12. 5 is the number of single triangles. 4 is the number of triangles composed of 2 components. 2 is the number of triangles composed of 3 components. And 1 is the number of triangle composed of all the 5 components. Therefore, by adding all these, what we are getting? 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 12. So here 12 will be the answer. Okay. Number 3, count the number of squares in the following figure. Let's try to solve it without labeling. How many simple squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore 9. How many squares are there with 4 components? That is 4 squares inside. 1, see this one. 1, 2, right? 3 and 4. These 4. Okay. 9 plus 4. And only one square is there which is composed of all the 9 squares. That is this one. Therefore, plus 1. Is there any other way in which we can find squares in the figure? No. Therefore, the number of square is 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is 14. Therefore, 14 will be the answer. 4 is how many parallelograms are there in the following figure. The figure is given, you need to find the number of parallelograms in the figure. So, to make you understand, I have already labeled the figure like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N and O. Now, without labeling only, we can understand how many simple parallelograms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore, parallelograms with one component. How many? 8. Okay. Parallelograms with 2 components. How many? See, AC, NL, BD, OM like this. 1, 2, 3. In the below part, 4, 5 and 6. Again, A, B, J, K like this. Previously we got 6. Now 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore, parallelograms with two components. What is the number? 10. Like this, parallelograms with three components. How many? See, ADOL, BEFM, that is 2, same in the below portion, plus 2, that is 4. Parallelograms with 4 components. See, like ACIK, BDHJ, CE, G and I, therefore 3, like this, 1, 2 and 3 with 4 components. 2 more are there, like AEFL, see, this one and this one, therefore 3 previous and now 2, therefore parallelogram with 4 components are 3 plus 2, that is 5. Now, parallelogram composed of 6 components. 6 components. How many? A, D, H, K, B, E, G and H. This one and this one. That is, the number is 2. And only one parallelogram is there which is composed of all the 8 components. Therefore, 8 components, only 1. Now, to get the total number of parallelograms in the figure, we need to add these numbers, like 8 plus 10, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 2, 29 plus 1, 30. Therefore, 30 will be the answer. So, that's all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll be coming with new videos very soon. Till then, bye-bye.